DragMath is a simple drag and drop tool for creating complex equations and formulas. You will learn how to navigate through DragMath's interface and recreate the math problems within the editor. Before beginning this tutorial, it is required that you have the most updated version of Java installed on your computer. You may find the software needed at this website here. You may also pause the video to do so now. Once you have installed Java, you may proceed. For this example, we'll go into a sample post and demonstrate how to access DragMath. On the word editor's toolbar, click this icon, an alpha symbol with a square root on top. When you start up DragMath, you'll be prompted with a message to allow the application to run or not. To accept, click by checking the box below, and then click Run to start the program. When it's finished loading, you'll see another interface. You'll now see multiple tabs that have different mathematical expressions and symbols that you may use. We'll put some of these expressions to use in another problem. We will be recreating this problem in DragMath. To begin, click on the fifth tab, then select the limit icon. It should now show up on the white space below after clicking it. Next, fill in the bottom two boxes with the variable x and the number 1 by clicking in each box and then typing the values in. The top box is where you'll be putting your equations. The equation requires a division symbol and a superscript item, which can be found in the second tab. Select the division icon from the list and paste it onto the top blank box. Once the fraction has been set up, select the superscript icon and drag it onto the top box. This will be used to set our squared function. Type in our x and then type in our 2. Next, you'll want to grab a minus symbol from the first tab and place it next to the x squared. Note that you may have to fiddle around with it as DragMath's placement of symbols is extremely sensitive. Next, type in 1 to finish the first half. On the bottom box, you can input the other half of the equation of x minus 1. Type in x, grab your minus symbol again, put it next to the x, then type in 1 to finish this part. Lastly, get the equal sign and paste it next to it. Then type 2 next to the equal sign. And now you have finished setting up your equation. When you're ready to proceed, click the Insert button to save your work. As you'll notice, I have been prompted by another pop-up to let DragMath run again. We will select Do Not Block to proceed. And there we go. Once you have done this successfully, you'll see DragMath code in the editor. This is DragMath's way of interpreting all the equations in its code form. To proceed and save your changes, click Post to Forum. You are now able to recreate a limit problem in DragMath. Be sure to go back in to make sure you can make other problems as well. For further in-depth coverage on DragMath, you may visit the website below. If you have any questions about Moodle or have trouble using it, do not hesitate to contact the help desk at the Student Mall, by phone, or by an online help request.